to be able to introduce our brand new 32 freshman Rangerettes. On the audience left end on the front row with Miss Grace Montez. Grace is from Lufkin. She is the daughter of Sammy Montez and Chad Montez. She graduated from Lufkin High School, where she was lieutenant of the Panther Pride. Grace Montez. Saranda Adame. Saranda is from Deer Park. She is the daughter of Robert and Anita Adame. A graduate of Deer Park High School, she was a member of the Escort. Saranda Adame. Carol Linebarger. Carol is from Carrollton, the daughter of Chris and Christy Linebarger. A graduate of Hebron High School, she served as lieutenant of the Silver Wings. Miss Chella Linebarger. Emmy Brozak. Emmy is from Richardson. She is the daughter of Sylvia and Daniel Brozak. She is a graduate of Plano East Senior High School, where she was first lieutenant of the Golden Girls. Miss Brozak. Mary Vega. Mary comes from Katy, Texas, the daughter of Luis and Nora Vega. A graduate of Seven Lakes High School, she served as Lieutenant Colonel of the Sapphires. Mary Vega. Ashley Schutte. Ashley is from Garland. She is the daughter of Christopher and Carrie Schutte. She graduated from Berkner High School, having served as captain of the Bandoleros. Miss Ashley Schutte. Kylie Dopper. Kylie is from McKinney. She is the daughter of Todd and Roxanne Dopper. A graduate of McKinney High School, she was captain of the Marquettes. Miss Kylie Dopper. Bailey Sinkle. Bailey is from College Station. She is the daughter of Stephen and Melissa Sinkle. A graduate of College Station High School, she served as president of the Strutters. Bailey Sinkle. Ivy Rose Sepulvedo is from Friendswood. She is the daughter of Misty Osborne. She is a graduate of Clearbrook High School, where she served as lieutenant of the Celebrities. Ivy Rose Sepulvedo. Bella Guzman. Bella is from Richardson. She is the daughter of Jackie and Fernando Guzman. She graduated from J.J. Pierce High School, where she was captain of the Pace Setters. Bella Guzman. Kylie Benavides. She is from Tatum. She is the daughter of Shane and Mandy Rogers. She is a graduate of Tatum High School, where she served as captain of the Eaglettes. Kylie Benavides. Direct your attention back down to the left end, second row. We begin with Josie Craighead. Josie is from Cibola, Texas. Her parents are Dawn and Kelly Craighead. She is a graduate of Steele High School, where she was colonel of the Medallions. Josie Craighead. Abby Steinbach. She is the daughter of John and Gina Steinbach. She is a graduate of White House High School, where she was an officer of the First Ladies. Abby Steinbach. Ivy Adams. Ivy is from Lantana. She is the daughter of Chris and Jennifer Adams. She graduated from Geyer High School, where she served as senior lieutenant of the Silverados. Miss Ivy Adams. Lindy Weissman. Lindy is from College Station. She is the daughter of David and Holly Weissman. She graduated from College Station High School, where she served as lieutenant of the Strutters. Miss Weissman. Allegra Norman. Allegra comes from Carrollton Farmers Branch. She is the daughter of John Norman and Jillian Norman. A graduate of Bishop Lynch High School, she was captain of the brigade. Miss Allegra Norman. Sydney Lowe comes to us from Justin, Texas. She is the daughter of Amy and Brian Lowe. She is a graduate of Northwest High School, where she served as captain of the Sidekicks. Miss Sydney Lowe. Erin Killingsworth. Erin is from Rowlett. She is the daughter of Dina and Scott Killingsworth. A graduate of Rockwall High School, she served as First Lieutenant of the Stingerettes. Miss Killingsworth. Nevaeh Davis. Nevaeh is from Huntington. She is the daughter of Will and Tracy Davis. She is a graduate of Huntington High School, where she was a 2-year captain of the High Steppers. Nevaeh Davis. Lexi Leftwich. Lexi is from Combine, Texas. The daughter of Peyton and Shauna Leftwich. A graduate of Crandall High School, she was a 2-year captain of the Gold Dusters. Miss Leftwich. Abby Schoolcraft. Abby is from White House. She is the daughter of Krista and Matt Schoolcraft. She graduated from White House High School, where she was First Lieutenant of the First Ladies. Abby Schoolcraft. And taking your attention back down to the audience left in on our back row, we start with Miss Sarah Johnston. Sarah is from Wichita Falls, the daughter of Jim and Laurie Johnston. She is a graduate of Ryder High School, where she was captain of the Raiderettes. Sarah Johnston. Bria Landry. Bria comes to us from Beaumont. She is the daughter of Ernest Landry and Patricia Landry. She graduated from Westbrook High School, where she served as Senior Lieutenant of the Stars. Miss Landry. Isabella Benavides. Isabella comes from San Antonio, the daughter of Alfred and Cynthia Benavides. A graduate of Sandra Day O'Connor High School, she was captain of the Gold Dusters. Miss Isabella Benavides. Samantha Hebert. Samantha is from Plano. She is the daughter of Bud and Claire Hebert. A graduate of Plano West Senior High, she was captain of the Royals. Samantha Hebert. Caitlin Dickerson. Caitlin is from Beaumont. She is the daughter of Michael Dickerson and Melissa Mott. She graduated from Westbrook High School, where she served as captain of the Stars. Miss Caitlin Dickerson. Anna McLendon. Anna comes to us from Keller, the daughter of Steve and Jana McLendon. She is a graduate of Timber Creek High School, where she served as Senior Lieutenant on the dance team. Miss Hannah McLendon. Karis Tolman. Karis is from Denton. She is the daughter of Fred and Coral Tolman. She graduated from Coram Deo Academy, where she served as First Lieutenant of the Lionettes. Miss Karis Tolman. Emma Guyman. Emma is from Alvin. She is the daughter of Scott and Brandy Guyman. A graduate of Alvin High School, she served as Colonel of the Jacketeers. Miss Emma Guyman. Hannah Nauer. Hannah comes to us from Austin. She is the daughter of Lisa and Christopher Nauer. A graduate of Vandegrift High School, she served as First Lieutenant of the Legacies. Hannah Nauer. Ryan Stoker. Ryan is from Nederland. She is the daughter of Jordan and Josh Seymour. A graduate of Nederland High School, she served as captain of the Western Airs. Miss Ryan Stoker. Katie Rock. Katie is from Plano, the daughter of Michael and Karen Rock. She is a graduate of John Paul II High School, where she was captain of the Cardinal Bells. Miss Katie Rock. And there they are, our brand new freshman graduates.
Their trademark. It's the high kick. Will perform their brand new jazz routine.
Candidates this evening, and it is my honor to introduce them to you. Beginning down on the audience left end, officer candidate number 1, Scarlett Walls. Officer candidate number 2, Rachel Boucher. Officer candidate number 3, Claire Hodges. Officer candidate number 4, Cassidy Fairchild from Georgetown. Officer candidate number 5, Elizabeth Eccles. Officer candidate number 6, Natalie Lancaster from College Station. Officer candidate number 7, Kaylee Rochford from the Officer candidate number 8, Maggie Smith. Number 9, Ariana Hickman. Officer candidate number 10, Abigail Evans from Frisco. Officer candidate number 11, Emmy Grieve from Newport. And officer candidate number 12, Bailey Stark from Cypress.
Our right-in Lieutenant, Kendall DeVillier. Right middle, Kelly Norris. Our left middle Lieutenant, Emma Strange, could not be with us this evening. We miss you, Emma. And left-in Lieutenant, Kayla Parker. Captain Carson Conjure. All right, as we begin to find our new officers, we will start with our right-end lieutenant. If you were a right-end lieutenant, and you are here tonight, please stand and remain standing while we find our new right end officer. And if you are at home, stand up in your living room if you were a right end lieutenant. All right, Kendall, go find our new right end. And all of our right middle, former right and middle lieutenants, please stand. Please remain standing until we find our new right middle. Left middle lieutenants, please stand while we find our new left middle, and Carson Conzer is going to find our left middle lieutenant for Emma. All former left end lieutenants, please stand. And let's find our new left end. And Captain Carson Conzer, if you would find our new captain, and all former captains, please stand. Guard from Midlothian. Lieutenant Ariana Hickman from Mesquite. Lieutenant Bailey Stark from Cypress. And Captain Elizabeth Eccles from Showoffs. Ladies, if you will take your positions to perform the officer strut together for the first time as our new entering officers. From left to right are Lieutenant Scarlett Walls from Pono, Lieutenant Haley Hawthorne from Midlothian, Lieutenant Ariana Hickman from Mesquite, Lieutenant Bailey Stark from Cypress, and in the center, the Captain, Elizabeth Eccles from Showoffs. Sophomores, Freshmen Introductions, take places for one last fight song.